In this video, we're going to continue doing some more quadratic formula problems. We're asked to factor out the equation of x squared plus 7x plus 6. In our previous video, it's easier to just list out the leading coefficients. We have a 1, b is 7, and c is 6. Now you can factor this out pretty easily, but let's say you're asked to use the quadratic formula, so it's easier to just figure out how to do that. We have x is equal to negative b, which is negative 7, plus or minus square root of b squared, 7 squared, minus 4 times a, which is 1, times c, which is 6. And all that under the square root, over 2 times a, which is 2 times 1. Now all we gotta do is just simplify it. We have x is equal to negative 7 plus or minus 7 squared is gonna give you 49. And then 4 times 1 times 6 is gonna give you 24. And all this over 2. Now further simplifying this, we're going to get x is equal to negative 7 plus or minus square root. 49 minus 24 is going to give you 25 over 2. X is equal to negative 7 plus or minus the square root of 25 is just 5 over 2. Now this means that we have two solutions. X can be negative 7 plus 5 over 2, or, let me put a subscript here, negative 7 minus 5 over 2. Now negative 7 plus 5 is going to give you negative 2, and then negative 2 over 2 is going to give you negative 1. For our second solution, we have negative 7 minus 5, which is minus 12, and minus 12 over 2 is going to give you negative 6. Let me make some space here. So this means that x plus 1 times x plus 6 is going to produce our equation that we started with here, which was x squared plus 7x plus 6. Now if you wanted to confirm this, we can use the FOIL method. So x times x, and then x times 6, plus 1 times x, plus 1 times 6. So that's going to give us x squared plus 6x plus 1x, which is just 1, plus 6. Now x squared is just going to stay the same, and then 6x plus x is going to give you 7x, and then the 6 is just left hanging here. And we confirmed that this is right, since this is the equation that we started with in the first place. Thanks for watching this video. Please go ahead, subscribe, and don't forget to like this video as well. If you have any questions or concerns, please leave a comment in the comment section below, and we'll see you in the next video.